Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to open another Etsy shop after suspension. Now, if you had a previous Etsy account that has been banned, there are some tips that you need to know before you try to make a new one in order to avoid getting banned again. First, you should avoid using the same credit card that you have used in the previous account that has got suspended. And this is actually the most important point. So avoid doing this because once you do this, your account will get banned automatically. So try to use another credit card. Now, the second thing is to simply change your information. When you try to make a new account, don't use the same information that you have used in the previous one. So you can simply use the name of your friend, the ID of one of your brothers, for example, but make sure to change the address if he has the same address that you have added to the previous one. And this is only in case you added a brother of yours because he may have the same address. That was number 2. Number 3 is to simply try to format your PC. How you can actually do it? You can simply go to Google and try to search for how to format your PC, or you can simply try to set up a new Windows, for example. This will also format your PC, but you can do format for your PC without having to set up a new Windows from scratch. There are a lot of videos that will show exactly how to format your PC. And why we should format our PC? Because by this way, you will deceive the bot so that it won't know that you are using the same computer that has been used on the banned account before. And the fourth thing that you should do is to simply turn off the internet modem that you have, then try to open it again. And this step, we use it in order to change the IP address of your Wi-Fi. So also by doing this step, you will avoid getting suspended. So what you should actually do, should you do one of them, should you do 2 of them, or should you do all? In my opinion, you should use the 4 steps, especially the first one, which is using another credit card. So be careful at this point, and it's better to use a credit card that has different owner's information than the previous one. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.